let's have the session. Okay, now equivalent resistance we have already seen, and next let's move to another case where we have to find equivalent resistance of a infinite circuit or infinite resistances. That is, suppose we have, this is also called resistance ladder problem. So suppose, and it will be actually given like this, where a pattern will be repeated again and again. So we have to identify that pattern, right? And so this is how it will be given. A ladder like structure will be made like this, and this, it says, it keeps on repeating itself till infinity. Means there are huge number of such patterns there, right? Suppose this point is A and this point is B, and we have to identify, or we have to find out the equivalent resistors here. And all these sections which you see, they all have some resistance. So these are different resistors, and there must be a pattern. That means there must be some repetition. So one repetition is this, that all of these are one resistance. Then these are all second type of resistors, and then we have this, which is third type of resistor. So as you can see here, this is how they are repeating itself. Now what does an infinite circuit means? Or very important property of infinity is that from infinity, if you reduce 1, you still get infinity. You remove something from infinity, you still get infinity. That is the definition of infinity, right? So not definition, the property of infinity. That means what? If I am able to, or if I start, instead of this, if I start seeing this circuit from this point, that is after removal of this, if I start observing this from this and this point, this is still the same circuit, right? Because from this infinite ladder, I have just removed one portion of this ladder, which is repeating itself again and again, right? So that means what? That means this still is the same section. This section is still the same which was earlier. This is the R infinity which we have to find, or RAB. This is same, right? And how can this be simplified? There is a point A, there is a resistance R1 here, then there is a resistance R3, and from R3 there is R2, right? And then we reach B. So this is A, this is B. That is after R2. A, R1, this is the section I'm talking about, A, R1, and then from R1 to R3, and then R3 to R2. So this is how we came, R1 to R3 to R2. Now to the R3, if you see, this is the ladder. I can say here, there is this ladder. So I won't write just a bracket thing like that, but I'll say that this is actually our ladder, the infinite ladder. And we have to actually find that. So from this, I can say that this RAB is equals to R1 plus R2 plus, if you see this part, right, that is this part, this is parallel of R3 and ladder, and ladder is again nothing but RAB. So this R3 and ladder, or R3 and RAB, are in parallel. So their equivalent, this equivalent will be equals to R3 into RAB divided by R divided by R3 plus RAB, right? And these three, that is R1, R2, and R equivalent, they are in series. So I can say that here it will be R3 into RAB divided by R3 plus RAB. And now you simplify this, you will get the RAB, right? And no need to remember any or derive any formula for this, but still, if you want to do that, it is easy to do, but I'll suggest it is not required. So if you still want to do, what we'll have is RAB into R3 plus RAB, that is equals to R1 plus R2 into R3 plus RAB plus R3 into RAB. So that's how you are going to get it. You will have RAB square plus R3 into RAB is equals to R1 plus R2 into R3 plus R1 RAB plus R2 RAB plus R3 RAB. Now, if you see this R3 RAB is in on both sides, so remove that. So now we have, in terms of RAB, we get a quadratic equation, RAB square minus RAB into R1 plus R2, right? And plus, sorry, minus R3 into R1 plus R2, that equals to 0. So now you can solve this quadratic equation. So RAB is equals to minus B, that is R1 plus R2. This is minus B, right? This is a quadratic equation. Plus minus root of B square, that is R1 plus R2 whole square, B square minus 4 into R1 plus R2 into R3. And because that is minus here, so it will be plus. It will become plus. This divided by 2a, and a is 1, so divided by 2. Right? So RAB will be equals to half R1 plus R2 plus again half into root of R1 plus R2 whole square plus 4 R1 plus R2 into R3, right? Okay, so now I guess there is no power now. Okay, so there is no power, but that's how we are going to solve this infinite ladder problem of resistance. So two types of problems we have seen today, and I'll send you the